Welcome back to Alto's channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to refresh or reset your For You page on TikTok. Now let's go to our TikTok. You wanted to watch the trading video, you want to change the videos showing on your phone, you want to refresh it. So a new one, a recent one. Now let me show you how to do that. Now let's open our TikTok. It's opening. Now what we want to do is come to the profile picture here. Click on your profile. Okay, what's happening? Click on your profile. Sorry for that. Now the next thing is you're going to click on this three line, then click on the settings and privacy, and then scroll up and come here, click on your content preferences. Now you can see, wait, now just come here and click on refresh your feed. Now you can see you want to start afresh, click on continue, then you click on refresh and you refresh your feed. So you just click on anything and click on submit. Now I'm going to show you our recent video. Now let's get back and see our recent video. This is a current video now showing. Let's go to our home. You can see now this is the current video showing. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, and drop a comment and subscribe.